Hey, ever feel like you're eating the same keto meals over and over again? Eggs, bacon, repeat. It happens to the best of us. But here's the truth. Boredom is the enemy of consistency. And if you're tired of your food, you're more likely to fall off the wagon. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to break out of the keto food rut and actually look forward to your meals again. Point number 1, challenge yourself weekly. Pick one new keto recipe to try each and every week. Just one. It could be a keto-friendly bread, a new twist on a favorite dish, or even a dessert made with monk fruit and almond flour. This small challenge keeps things interesting and exciting for you and gives you something to look forward to. If you're in my Facebook group, you already know how many fresh ideas and concepts we share there each and every day. Make it fun, not stressful. It's about exploration, not perfection. Point number 2, use recipes to reinvent your favorites. Missing mac and cheese, craving pizza, instead of giving in to temptation, recreate your favorites the keto way. You'll be shocked how satisfying it is to turn old no-no meals into keto comfort food like cheesy cauliflower mac or fathead crust pizza. Not only does this keep you motivated, but it also proves to yourself that you are not deprived. You're just making smarter choices for yourself. Point number 3, let your food inspire others. This is a lifestyle, and lifestyles are meant to be shared. Post your new recipes on social media, in keto groups, or even just share a plate with a friend. When you share your excitement and results, you inspire others and you stay more committed in the process. Accountability and creativity go hand in hand. So if you're feeling stuck or uninspired, don't quit keto. Spice it up. Try one new recipe this week. Reinvent your favorites and share your success with others. You'll reignite your motivation, fall in love with your meals again, and stay consistent on your journey. Hit like if this helped you. Subscribe for more weekly keto motivation, and drop your favorite go-to recipe in the comments below. See you in the next video.